I'm sure you've heard the news. Packing for unpredictable weather doesn't have to be a nightmare. Here's how to become a packing pro. Step 1. Layer up. Think of your clothes like a giant sandwich. Start with a light base layer, add a comfy middle layer and top it off with a jacket. You can peel off layers or add more as the weather changes. Step 2. Mix and match. Choose clothes that can do double duty. A scarf can be a blanket, a dress can double as a beach cover-up. Versatility is key. Step 3. Waterproof everything. Get a small packable rain jacket or poncho. And don't forget to pack your shoes in plastic bags. Wet socks are no fun. Step 4. Pack smart. Use packing cubes to keep things organised. And always leave a little room for souvenirs. There you have it, folks. Master the art of packing for any weather like a pro and enjoy your travels stress-free. Happy packing!